Azaman Academy.
Welcome, gentlemen. In this session, I will share the best practices of genius students approaching exams. Genius students, like any high achiever, often have great strategies for maximizing their exam performance. Here's some advice for students based on the best practices of genius students, covering preparation before, during, and after exams. Let's see first what you should do before the exam. Number 1. Thorough preparation. Start preparing well in advance by breaking down the syllabus into manageable sections and creating a study schedule. Regularly review class notes, textbooks, supplementary materials, and past exams to understand the concepts thoroughly. Comprehensive preparation ensures a deep understanding of the material, leading to better retention and application during the exam. It reduces the likelihood of feeling overwhelmed and increases confidence in tackling challenging questions. Number 2. Active learning techniques. Engage in active learning methods such as summarizing content, teaching others, creating flashcards, practicing with sample questions, and using mnemonic devices, mind maps, and other memory aids. Active learning methods promote deeper engagement with the material, facilitating better comprehension and retention. By actively participating in their learning process, students reinforce their understanding and develop critical thinking skills, essential for exam success. Number 3. Healthy lifestyle. Prioritize sleep, exercise, and nutrition to optimize cognitive function and overall well-being. Take a regular break to prevent burnout and maintain focus. A healthy lifestyle improves concentration, memory, and mood, making studying more effective and efficient. It also reduces the risk of burnout and enhances resilience during stressful exam periods. Prioritizing health optimizes cognitive function, improving memory, concentration, and problem-solving abilities. A well-rested and nourished brain performs more effectively, enabling students to study efficiently and maintain focus during exams. Number 4. Mock exams and time management. Genius students simulate exam conditions by taking practice tests under timed conditions. They analyze their performance to identify weak areas and focus on improving them. Simulating exam conditions through mock exams helps students familiarize themselves with the format and time constraints. Practicing time management ensures they can allocate sufficient time to each question and complete the exam without rushing, leading to more accurate and thorough responses. Now let's see what you can do during the exam. Number 1. Strategic approach. Read all instructions and questions carefully, prioritize questions based on difficulty, and manage time effectively. A strategic approach helps you utilize your time and resources efficiently, maximizing your chances of earning points and minimizing errors. It also reduces anxiety and improves focus during the exam. Number 2. Critical thinking and problem solving. Apply critical thinking skills to analyze questions and formulate well-supported answers. Genius students break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable parts to solve them systematically. Applying critical thinking skills enables students to analyze questions more effectively and formulate accurate responses. By breaking down complex problems into manageable parts, they can approach each question systematically, leading to more coherent and well-supported answers. Number 3. Time management. Allocate time for each section/question and avoid spending too much time on any single question. If they get stuck on a question, they mark it and move on to prevent wasting valuable time. Effective time management ensures you can complete the entire exam within the allotted time. It prevents them from getting stuck on challenging questions and allows them to allocate more time to questions with higher point values, maximizing their overall score. Number 4. Revision and double-checking. Before submitting the exam, review your answers, checking for errors or omissions. Double-checking ensures accuracy and helps catch any mistakes made in haste. Reviewing and double-checking answers help students catch and correct mistakes before submitting the exam. It allows them to identify any overlooked errors or misunderstood concepts, potentially improving their overall score and demonstrating attention to detail. Finally, here are some tips you can use after the exam. Number 1. Reflection and analysis. Reflect on your performance, identify strengths and areas for improvement, and analyze any mistakes made and how to avoid them in future exams. Reflecting on performance provides valuable insights into strengths and weaknesses, guiding future study efforts. Analyzing mistakes helps students understand where they went wrong and how to avoid similar errors in future exams, facilitating continuous improvement. Number 2. Feedback seeking. Seek feedback from teachers or peers to gain insights into your performance and study strategies. Constructive criticism helps students identify blind spots and refine their approach to studying and exam preparation, leading to more effective learning outcomes. Feedback offers external perspectives that can help you refine your study approach and enhance your understanding of the material. It also fosters a growth mindset and encourages continuous improvement. Number 3. Continuous learning. Continue learning and reviewing the material even after the exam is over. Genius students don't stop learning after the exam. They use feedback to refine their understanding of the subject matter. They continuously update their knowledge base, ensuring they stay ahead in their academic pursuits. Adopting a mindset of continuous learning ensures students remain intellectually curious and engaged with the subject matter beyond the exam. It fosters a deeper understanding of concepts and encourages lifelong learning habits, essential for academic and personal growth. Number 4. Celebrating achievements. Lastly, genius students celebrate their achievements, no matter how small. This positive attitude motivates them to maintain their high standards and strive for further success. Recognizing progress and accomplishments boosts motivation and self-confidence, inspiring students to maintain their efforts and strive for further excellence. Generally, genius students approach exams with a combination of thorough preparation, strategic thinking, effective time management, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Remember, each stage of exam preparation and performance offers distinct advantages that contribute to academic success. By adopting these practices, students can optimize their learning experience, perform at their best during exams, and continue to grow and excel in their academic endeavors. Which one do you like? Put your feedback in the comment box. Maintain your growing mindset and excellence. If you got insight, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Azaman Academy. Azaman Academy.